Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to new classes of Sufa English High School. This is continuing of geography chapter number 7. So let's start with the new paragraph. People to discover fertile lands and settle there. Later for getting richer harvest, he made efforts to increase the fertility of soil. In the process, use of different fertilizers became a practice which led to record agriculture productions. Food crops, fruits, and flowers are produced according to the type of soils. Food crops like jawar and bajra are produced in the rigor soils of Maharashtra Plateau, while soils in Konkan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka region produce rice. In Madhya Pradesh, potato is cultivated in region where the soil are well drained. The local agricultural produce determines the staple diet of the people. Now, student, in this paragraph, it is explained that people to discover fertile lands and settle there. Getting a richer harvest, he made efforts to increase fertility of soils. Become a practice which led to record agricultural production. Crops, fruits, flowers are produced according to the type of soil. In regular soils, Maharashtra pretty while soils in Konkan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka region. In Madhya Pradesh, rice, potato is cultivated in regions. The local agricultural produce determines the staple diet of the people. Now go to the next paragraph. The regions where soils are not arable need to fulfill their food requirements through import. For example, countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, etc. fulfill their requirements by importing food from China, India, and the USA. The region where soils are fertile can be self reliant as far as the food production is concerned. Hence, human settlements get concentrated in such areas. Agro based industries flourish in these areas at a later date. For example, sugar factories develop in the sugarcane producing areas. Processing industries develop in the areas of fruit production, etc. This region later show the signs of development. Now in this paragraph it is explained that region where soils are not arable need to fulfill their requirement. For example, countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, etc. fulfill their requirements by importing food from China, India, and the USA. Soils where soils are fertile can be self-reliant as for the food productions. Human settlements get concentrated in such areas. For example, sugar factories develop in the sugarcane producing areas, fruit processing industries. These regions later show the sign of development. Now, student, it is the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra state major types and distribution of soil. Map Maharashtra type and overall distribution of soil map. Now go to the next page. Geographical explanation. You have studied the major soil types of Maharashtra on the basis of the soil's color, texture, formation, process, thickness of layer, etc. We can divide the state soils into five major types. Go to the first, coarse soil. This soil types is a result of weathering and low rainfall. This soil can be found in the hill tops of the western part of the plateau. Example, Ajanta, Balaghat and Mahadev hills. The proportion of humus is negligible in this soil. Now in this paragraph it is explained about the coarse soil. This type of soil, weathering and low rainfall, this can be found in the western part of plateau. The proportion of humus is negligible in this soil. Now go to the next paragraph. Regular or black soil. It is found in areas of medium rainfall in the valley and the alluvial plains of river basins. Two types of this soil are found. Dark black soil is found in the western part of Deccan Plateau, while medium black soil is found in the eastern part. Vidarbha, though it is black in color, proportion of organic components is less in the soil. Now, student, in this paragraph, it is explained that this type of soil found in areas of medium rainfall, wherever it is the rainfall is medium. Two types of soil are found. Dark black is found in the western part of Deccan Plateau, while medium black is found in the eastern, means Vidarbha side. Now, the proportion of organic component is less in the soil. Now go to the next paragraph. Laterite soil. This type of soil is found in the coastal belt of Konkan to the west of the Sahyadris and in the east of the Vidarbha. In areas of very heavy rainfall, the eroded rock get washed away in a large quantity. As a result, the parent rock lies bare open. The iron in the rock react with the oxygen in the air and causes a chemical reaction. This gives the reddish orange color to the soil which is thus formed. Now in this paragraph it is explained about laterite soil. This type of soil is found in coastal belt of Konkan and western Sahyadris and east of Vidarbha. Heavy rainfall, the eroded rocks get washed away. The parent rock lies bare open. The iron in the rock react with the oxygen in the air. This gives the reddish orange color to the soil which is thus formed. Now go to the alluvial soil of the coastal strips. Majority of the rivers flowing in the Konkan region are short and flow with a great speed. Therefore, the alluvium brought by the gets deposited at the mouth of the river. This soil is found at the mouth of the river in the western coastal strip. Example, the areas around Panvel, Uran Coast, Dharmatar Creek, etc. Now, in this paragraph, it is explained about alluvial soil and coastal strips. Majority of the rivers flowing in the Konkan regions are short and flow. Therefore, the alluvial brought by them gets deposited. मीन्स इसी की वजह से वो क्या होती है कि एक जगह जमा हो जाती है एट द माउथ ऑफ द रिवर, नदी के एकदम सामने. The mouth of the river in the western coastal strips. Example, areas around Panvel, Uran coast, Dharmatar Creek, etc. Now go to the next paragraph. Yellow brown soil. These soils are found in areas of extreme rainfall. They are not very fertile, therefore they are not very used for agriculture. They are mainly found in the Chandrapur, eastern part of Bhandara and parts of Sahyadri mountains. Now in this paragraph it is explained that the soil are found in areas of extreme rainfall, means जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा rainfall होती है, they are not very fertile और ये काम की नहीं रहती है. They are mainly found in Chandrapur, eastern part of Bhandara and parts of Sahyadri mountains. Okay, student. This picture is given soil heap experiments. Soil heap experiments means how the soil were made. Okay. I hope you understood. It is enough for today. I will continue in the next video. So take care and thank you.